What's up, riders? Welcome back to Motorev's 27. Moto3 is about to enter a brand new era. Yamaha has officially been announced as the exclusive motorcycle supplier for the championship starting in 2028, replacing both KTM and Honda after years of fierce competition. But that raises one big question. What bike will Yamaha actually race in Moto3? Let's break it down. The announcement marks one of the biggest changes in Grand Prix racing in more than a decade. Instead of multiple manufacturers competing against each other, every team in Moto3 will use the same Yamaha-built machine. The goal is simple: reduce costs, create a more level playing field, and keep the focus on rider talent. For young racers dreaming of MotoGP, this could completely change the path to the top. Now, here's the interesting part. Yamaha has not revealed the final race bike yet. However, the company has confirmed that the new Moto3 machine will be developed around its CP2 parallel twin-engine platform. If that name sounds familiar, it's because the CP2 powers popular road bikes like the Yamaha MT-07 and Yamaha R7. But don't expect Yamaha to simply bring an R7 onto the grid. The engine will be heavily redesigned, and the motorcycle itself will be a purpose-built Grand Prix prototype engineered specifically for Moto3's new regulations. So why choose the CP2 platform? Because it's already proven to be lightweight, reliable, and capable of delivering strong, predictable performance. By building on an existing engine architecture, Yamaha can also reduce development costs while creating a race bike that's easier to maintain for every team on the grid. This also means the end of the Honda versus KTM rivalry that has defined Moto3 for years. With identical Yamaha machines, the spotlight will shift even more toward rider skill, race strategy, and team setup rather than outright mechanical advantages. It's a massive reset for the entire championship. So, what do you think? Can Yamaha make Moto3 even more exciting? And are you looking forward to seeing its all-new Grand Prix machine in 2028? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more motorcycle news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.